Hi, this is Mike Elliott, and you're watching a CEO Live executive interview. In this episode, we'll be talking to Mr. Robert Sarin. He's the President, Director, and Chief Sales and Marketing Officer at Bovie Medical, a manufacturer and marketer of electrosurgical products. Bovie Medical is a publicly traded company listed on the New York Stock Exchange market under ticker symbol BVX. Good morning, Bob. Thanks for joining us.
Happy to be here.
Bovie Medical is focused on the electrosurgical device market. So to begin, could you give us some insight on the size and potential of this market?
Sure. The electrosurgical market is essentially 80% of all procedures done in the operating room today worldwide is done with some form of electrosurgery. So it's a monstrous market. U.S. market, well over $1 billion, world market over $2 billion.
And next, could you give us an overview of Bovie's main product lines and some approximation of their current market share?
Yeah. We go from a low end to a high end. Many companies are tightly grouped in one space. And because we cover so many different markets, we manufacture several different generators, from a 40-watt unit for the dermatology market up to a 300-watt unit for the OR market. And so especially for surgery centers, especially for OBGYN, especially for plastics, the GI market. So many different areas that we're in.
And Bovie Medical has built a dominant position within the physician office market. How were you able to accomplish this?
Well, that was actually one of the easier things we did. The big players, the Covidians, the people like that, have a direct sales force calling on the largest hospitals every day. It's not practical for them to put together a sales force to call on the physician market. And as more and more procedures went outside the hospital, it became a better and better place. We sell our products through distribution, so the Cardinal Healths, the McKessons, the Owens and Minors, as well as some of the privates, the people like Medline.
And for the remainder of this interview, I'd like to focus on one of Bovie Medical's newest products with an exciting new technology developed in-house, the J Plasma line. Could you give us a brief overview of this product and the technology behind it that makes it unique in this industry?
Sure. J Plasma is a helium-based plasma working in a form of electrosurgery, but with a level of accuracy unseen in any other form of electrosurgery, as in the precision that can be used in the surgeon's hands. It makes good surgeons better surgeons, and it makes the average surgeon an even better surgeon.
And what is the overall plan for bringing the J Plasma to market, and what stage of progress are you currently at?
Okay, well, this is a little different than what we have typically done through distribution. This, we're setting up a direct sales force of 1099 representatives, as in they're not employees of us, but they spend every day and the bulk of their day in the operating room. This is a product that has to be shown to the surgeon. The surgeon has to get comfortable using it, and because of that, while they're doing the same procedure, because it reacts better than they ever expected it to, there's a little learning curve. And so we've set up labs in Nashville, in Las Vegas, and they're going every month, and that's to train both surgeons if they want to, and our sales reps. So it gives them on-hand training with some world-renowned surgeons.
And so progress-wise, I looked at in your investor presentation, you had done some beta testing. Now you're past that now. You're actually...
Yeah, we're well past beta testing. It's being used every day in surgery. The first market we aimed at was the OBGYN market. Because of the way J Plasma works, endometriosis seemed to be a perfect spot to start with that. So that's what we've aimed at. Now, that being said, when other surgeons see how it does that, they say, well, if we can do that, it'd be great for this. And so we're kind of getting yanked lots of different directions, and we have to keep on bringing it back to center. But OBGYN is the first area that we've aimed at the strongest.
And what is the estimated market potential for the J Plasma line of products?
Well, just if you look at the endometriosis market, that's a 600,000 procedures done annually in the U.S. Multiply that times a disposable of $300 range. It's a very large market.
And Bob, that's all the questions I had time for today. Was there anything else you wanted to add before we close?
No, sir. Bovie was the originator of electrosurgery, and we're looking forward to now bringing J-Plasma worldwide.
Bob, thanks again for taking the time to join us.
My pleasure. Thank you, Mike.
We've been talking to Mr. Robert Sarin. He's the President, Director, and Chief Sales and Marketing Officer at Bovie Medical, a manufacturer and marketer of electrosurgical products. Bovie Medical is a publicly traded company listed on the New York Stock Exchange market under ticker symbol BVX. And you can find out more about them by visiting their website at www.boviemedical.com.